Introducing the new RPB L4 Light. Featuring a highly concentrated output of light, the unit fully illuminates the area on which blasting is taking place. The light turns with the user's head, keeping the light in the user's field of vision. The outer lens is replaceable to ensure the lighting is coming through strong and clear. It is built with durable, lasting material that will withstand even the harshest environments. The long-lasting battery pack can power the light for up to 4 hours on a single charge. The RPB L4 Light. Order yours today.